Okay, this is my Fixie. Start from the top. I've got, one second, Woodman bars in gold. Woodman bars in gold. Vans colour grips. Goldfinger brake. Goldfinger brake. With the one of the brake cables will fit Fixie and BMX. Just a specialised brake caliper. I'll do the forks. They're Doland carbon forks on specialised globe wheels with a Halo gold skewer. And I've got FSA stem with Alpine headset. I've got a Doland frame, precursor frame, with some Obey stickers, Obey Starbucks stickers, and a Apple sticker with a 63 fix sticker on the front. Then I've got Zagino messenger cranks with my custom Vans chain ring will sit just stickers. And I've got PC pedals in see-through, but really old. I've got a specialised single speed chain. Going up, I've got a Hope clamp on Alpine seat post, and then I've got a Charge spoon saddle, but I've got in the post a tofu Spyder saddle with a back wheel the same as the front, and it's 60 and 42. That's it.